Hello and a very happy Gandhi Jayanti everyone. So this is Prashant Goklani and today I am here to talk about a very important issue in these current times, that is promoting Khadi this Gandhi Jayanti. So today we all are celebrating 151st birth anniversary of Mahatma Gandhi, and Mahatma Gandhi was a strong promoter of Khadi cloth, as you all know, for the upliftment of poor. And today, in these COVID times, the Khadi workers are really struggling a lot to earn their daily income. So, here is a small attempt from my side to promote Khadi and to encourage you all also to buy Khadi as much as possible. So we on a visit to Mani Bhavan in Mumbai, which is situated in Mumbai, had gone through a lot of important things and history associated with Mahatma Gandhi, and I found this beautiful excerpt of speech by Gandhiji, which he spoke at Bardoli. He said, "I have given up all those things which were only a means of securing Swaraj. You must, however, pursue that which helps the attainment of self-purification, Khadi, the abolition of untouchability, and Hindu-Muslim unity. Practice these as your ordinary dharma, regardless of whether Swaraj is secured or not. Otherwise, we shall surely perish. Hinduism will be destroyed if untouchability is not ended, and without Khadi there will be such starvation in the country that our flesh will be eaten up by crows and dogs, leaving only bones behind." So this was an excerpt from the speech of Mahatma Gandhi, which was spoken on 17th of January 1925. So from this message alone you can realize how important was Khadi for Mahatma Gandhi, and how important did he thought that is Khadi's contribution for the development and unity of India. So now talking about Khadi in modern times, it's very important in these times when Khadi business is not doing very well, that we all come up and start encouraging Khadi by buying more and more Khadi cloths and other products. So on the left, as you can see, is a picture of Khadi Gramodyog Bhavan, which is situated in Vidarbh, and there are many other centers of Khadi. I'll just open up the website of KVIC. KVIC stands for Khadi and Gramodyog Ayog, right? Khadi and Village Empowerment Corporation. So there is a website which is specifically made for this particular department, this particular corporation, and where you can find all the latest Khadi products that are sold by these Khadi centers, various Khadi and Gramodyog centers, and the addresses of these centers, as well as you can also order online from this particular website. So it's just opening. You can buy Khadi masks and Khadi cloths, Khadi kurtas, Nehru jacket, and a lot many products. You can also buy the cosmetic products which are sold by Khadi Ashram. So just a second, I'll show you the website first. So KVIC, if you type on Google, you can go to KVIC home. On this website you can find various options. So you can go to buy Khadi products, and you can get a 20% discount also on all these products. So you can see the latest edition is the cotton mask and the silk mask, the Khadi mask. So all these are products by Khadi and Village Empowerment Corporation. So if you buy these products, you can see here almond and tulsi body massage oil, rose sandal body massage oil, lemongrass jasmine body massage oil. You can find coffee also, green coffee, green tea, and many other products. So please do buy these products, because if you buy these products, it will help the khadi industry and people who are surviving on this industry. So it is very very important that we do it right now, otherwise it will be too late, right? I'll also show you the various khadi centers that are there in all throughout India. Just a second, let me see if I can find it. So just a second. So here, know your khadi institutions. So in whichever zone you are, you can easily find the khadi center for your particular area. So please, my earnest request to all of you to encourage khadi, so that these people who survive on khadi for their livelihood can continue doing so. Just to give you a brief look, this is my khadi collection. Many of these products were bought, like the blue kurta that you see, all the 3 kurtas that you see below on the bottom row. These are all bought from Khadi Ashram, Khadi and Gramodyog Bhavan, Mumbai. So you can also buy these khadi clothes, so that it actually helps people who are surviving on this particular industry. So I'll end this particular video with a song, the instrumental of which you are now hearing.
वैष्णव जन तो तेने कहिए जे पीड़ पराई जाने रे। वैष्णव जन तो तेने कहिए जे पीड़ पराई जाने रे। पर दुखे उपकार करे तो है मन अभिमान ना आए रे। वैष्णव जन तो तेने कहिए जे सकल लोक मां साहु ने वंदे निंदा ना करे के नीरे। वाच काच माने चल राख्यो वाच काच माने चल राखे। धन धन जननी तेनी रे। वैष्णव जन तो तेने कहिए जे